What do you know about the animal kingdom? You might think you're familiar with the basics, but did you know octopuses have 3 hearts, or butterflies taste with their feet? The natural world is full of jaw-dropping facts that will leave you in awe. While we often think we've got a good grasp on the creatures around us, some of their traits and abilities are downright mind-boggling. In this video, we'll dive into wild facts about animals that completely surprise you. Get ready for a roller coaster of bizarre and astonishing facts you've probably never heard before. Let's uncover the incredible world of animals together. An octopus has 3 hearts. Imagine having 3 hearts pumping blood through your body. It seems like something from a science fiction movie, right? Well, that's the case for the octopus. These incredible creatures have not 1 but 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. The interesting part is that when an octopus swims, the heart that supplies the body stops beating, which is one of the reasons why octopuses prefer crawling to swimming. This unique setup helps them thrive in the deep, mysterious waters they call home. Some crabs have teeth inside their stomachs. Teeth in your stomach? That's not something you see every day. But for some crabs, it's reality. Certain species' stomach teeth, like the coconut and stone crab, are not in their mouths but within their stomachs. These teeth are part of a complex system of crushing tools that help them break down tough food like coconuts and shells. It's an evolutionary marvel that allows them to consume foods other creatures can't. So, the next time you spot a crab, remember that it may be chewing its dinner inside its body in ways that are out of the ordinary. Dolphins use whistles to identify each other. Did you know that dolphins have their names? Dolphins have highly sophisticated communication systems, and one of the most fascinating aspects of their communication is their use of unique whistles to identify each other. These whistles act like personal names, allowing dolphins to call one another and respond when addressed. The distinctive sound of a dolphin's whistle is so vital to their social interactions that it's often used instead of traditional names in the human sense. Imagine having a conversation where you could only identify your friends by their whistle. It's how dolphins keep track of each other in the vast oceans. Giraffes sleep very little. Have you ever wondered how giraffes manage to stay so alert? It turns out that adult giraffes sleep only about 30 minutes per night. This is extremely rare in the animal kingdom, as most animals require significantly more sleep. The reason behind this is survival. Giraffes have evolved to minimize their vulnerability to predators. By staying awake for the majority of the day and night, they can keep a watchful eye out for threats. When they do sleep, it's in short bursts, and they often do so while standing up to remain alert. Axolotls can regenerate body parts. Forget about growing back your hair or nails. Axolotls take regeneration to a new level. These extraordinary creatures, also known as Mexican walking fish, can regenerate almost any part of their bodies, from missing limbs to spinal cords, parts of their hearts, and even their brain tissue. Axolotls can heal and regrow body parts with an incredible precision that scientists still don't fully understand. They can regenerate entire organs. Some researchers are studying them to unlock the secret of regenerative medicine for humans. Talk about biological superheroes. Flamingos are naturally white. Are you ready for a flamingo fact that might make you rethink everything you know about these colorful birds? Flamingos are born white. Yes, you heard that right. Flamingos appear pink because of the algae and shrimp they consume, which are rich in pigments known as carotenoids. These pigments accumulate in their feathers and give them that striking pink color. Without their special diet, flamingos would remain a dull, pale white. It's a beautiful example of how animals can be shaped by their environment in surprising ways. Kangaroos are very strong. Kangaroos aren't just cute and bouncy, they're also incredibly powerful. These iconic creatures have a bite force of 975 psi, pounds per square inch, 6 times stronger than a human's bite. They also use their powerful hind legs to deliver devastating kicks that can disarm predators or threats. Kangaroos can also leap great distances, traveling up to 25 feet in a single bound. Their muscular build and agility make them more than just a fun animal to watch. They're nature's powerful athletes. Tigers' urine smells like buttered popcorn. Here's a wild one. Tiger urine smells just like buttered popcorn. While most animal scents can be pretty pungent or unpleasant, tigers have a distinct advantage in the scent department. Their urine contains a chemical compound that produces a smell that's remarkably similar to buttered popcorn. Tigers use this potent smell as a territorial marker, warning other tigers to stay away from their domain. So, next time you're near a tiger, you might catch a whiff of popcorn instead of the usual animal scent. Butterflies taste with their feet. Who knew butterflies could taste their food in such an unusual way? Unlike most animals that taste through their mouths, butterflies have taste sensors on their feet. These sensors help them determine if a plant is suitable for laying its eggs on, or if the nectar from a flower is sweet enough for feeding. It's an incredible adaptation that allows them to quickly and efficiently interact with their environment, ensuring they choose the best places to thrive. Koalas sleep almost all day. Koalas are the ultimate nappers of the animal kingdom. These marsupials spend a staggering 18 to 22 hours each day sleeping. That's up to 91% of their entire day. Koalas sleep so much because their diet of eucalyptus leaves is low in nutrition, requiring them to rest frequently to conserve energy. Their long hours of sleep also help them digest their food more efficiently. If you ever thought you were a champion sleeper, the koala would put you to shame. Camels have 3 eyelids. Camels may live in some of the harshest desert conditions, but are built to survive. One of their most unique features is their 3 eyelids, which protect their eyes from the blowing sand and intense sun. The first 2 eyelids shield against dust, while the third one, a thin membrane, keeps their eyes moist and debris-free. This clever adaptation allows camels to thrive in environments where few other creatures can survive. Sea otters use kelp forests. Sea otters are not just adorable, they're incredibly resourceful too. These clever ocean mammals anchor themselves while they sleep or rest in kelp forests. By wrapping themselves in the long strands of kelp, otters prevent themselves from drifting away with the current. Kelp also provides a food source for otters, who forage through these dense forests for marine creatures like crabs and sea urchins. Sea otters have learned to create their own floating homes and food supplies, making them one of the ocean's most intelligent creatures. Polar bears have black skin. Polar bears may appear white, but their skin underneath is black. The black skin helps them absorb and retain heat from the sun, an essential adaptation for survival in the icy Arctic environment. This dark pigmentation allows them to make the most of the limited sunlight in their frigid habitat. Their fur, although white in appearance, is translucent, which helps to reflect light and further insulate their bodies. It's a perfect blend of evolution and biology working together to keep these incredible creatures warm in extreme cold. The animal kingdom is full of wonders and surprises, continually challenging our understanding of the natural world. From the incredible strength of kangaroos to the mind-blowing regenerative powers of axolotls, the facts we've shared today are only a glimpse into the extraordinary lives of creatures that walk, swim, and fly around us. These animals, with their exceptional abilities and unique adaptations, remind us how diverse and fascinating life on Earth can be. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and who knows, maybe the following wild fact will leave you speechless. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the animal world.